as the world celebrated an international day to signify the most solemn woman in the world, the mother. Women have various highly regarded social capacities in every society of the world, such as affectionate mothers, caring daughters, loving sisters, and supportive partners. These all laudable faces of women are extremely exploited in a region called Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir at the hands of the Indian Army. The women in IIOJK have never lived a day without suffering. On a cold February night in 1991, the IIOJK was traumatized by a terrifying barbarism. Indian soldiers stormed into the villages of Kunan and Poshpura, dragging men from their homes and subjecting the women to mass rape. The night left a permanent scar, with as many as 100 women, including aged, pregnant and spinsters, reportedly raped. Their lives were forever altered by the horror inflicted upon them. Their cries for justice were buried. As the common practice of the Indian Army includes abduction, rape, and murder of women in IIOJK as a weapon to suppress the voice of Kashmiris for their right to self-determination. The same scheme was followed for the Shopia rape and murder incident, also known as Asia and Nilofer incident. Indian troops abducted, molested and martyred two young women who were on the way home from their orchard. The next morning, their lifeless bodies were discovered, sparking immense grief and outrage in the community. According to the recent statistics, over 96,000 people have lost their lives. The conflict has also left 12,996 people disappeared, 22,974 women widowed, and 107,959 children orphaned. These shocking figures highlight the severity of the crisis which has affected countless lives and families in IIOJK. Parveena Ahangar, a housewife from IIOJK, turned into a prominent human rights activist after her 16-year-old son Javed disappeared in 1990, allegedly detained by the Indian troops. Despite numerous efforts to locate him, her search proved futile, revealing instead many others facing similar tragedies. Parveena founded the Association of Parents of Disappeared People, APDP, in 1994 to address these disappearances, which she estimated range from 8,000 to 10,000 since the conflict began in 1989. Despite many challenges in her way, she persisted, driven by the belief that a collective voice could pressure the Indian authorities. Asia Andrabi, a well-known Kashmiri activist and pro-freedom leader who has been one of the victims of severe Indian atrocities, rose as a staunch critic of the Indian government's policies in Kashmir, highlighting the systematic oppression and violence faced by women in the region. Therefore, the exploitation faced by women in IIOJK at the hands of Indian Army highlights widespread human rights violations within the region. As we celebrate the strength and contributions of women globally, we must also strengthen the voices of those in IIOJK, highlighting their stories of sufferings, ensuring their courage and resilience against Indian atrocities, so that their basic right to live a peaceful life is protected. As an international singer has precisely described the repressive women of the world, including Kashmiri mothers.
Life did not treat you the way you deserved. You always served. God blessed you with love and compassion. You became passion. Oh, darkness reigned long and hard. Everywhere disasters could not take anything from your eyes.